a day at this one-of-a-kind homestay. To our surprise, there were a few police officers who were enjoying their day off, who heartfully invited us to join in. This quickly turned into a session of stories and songs, or rather, a song, singular. These guys made it their mission to teach me this Nepali song, and they sure were living up to what the song actually means.
और क्या प्लान है आज का? बारिश में भीगते हुए जाएंगे। यस। घर जैसा
Oh God, beautiful people. They just won our hearts. If any rider is visiting Sikkim for whatever duration, I dearly request you to come up to Ringhim and ask for the helipad. And right at the helipad we have Sajjirdi, a homestay that we stayed in for one night. Wish we had more time really. Oh God, such beautiful people, such beautiful place. And everywhere we go, everywhere we stay, it's like we've been welcomed into a family. That's what makes this trip special. That's what makes it difficult for us to leave, and that's what gives us a reason to come back again and again. If you are ever in Mangan, just look for this football ground that you see here, and then the road that goes up takes you to the helipad on Ringhim. फाइनली टैंक का पेट भरा है पहली बार जब से निकले हैं तब से नॉर्थ सिक्किम की तरफ. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक टू गैंगटॉक. द टाइम इज 12:50. रेन कंटिन्यूज टू ट्रैवल है, सारा पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रही है आज तो. सुबह से इट्स बिन ऑन एंड ऑफ. वी जस्ट स्टॉप, पुट ऑन आवर रेन गियर. इट वाज स्टूपिड ऑफ अस नॉट टू डू इट अर्लियर इटसेल्फ. ओके, देयर इज some obstacle on the way, I guess. Maybe a vehicle is stuck. The army vehicles don't have space to move. We are about 30 kilometers away from Gangtok.
Frankly speaking, I was a bit relieved to reach Gangtok. After riding through such intense weather and terrain for the last 7 days, the bike needed some TLC, and I was more than happy to stay off the saddle. We were staying with Kiran for a couple of days. We used this time off to explore Gangtok and pay a visit to the famous Rumtek monastery, and just enjoy the company of friends before we said our goodbyes. Although we were at the tail end of our Sikkim tour, I was really looking forward to the next bit, riding through the old Silk Route.